So welcome to the Logan guy. Yeah. So yeah, this is a vlog. We're in like a city with a lot of people that work very hard. But today we're gonna be destroying it. As you can see, I have a bunch of tools in my hand, and yeah. So those are my tools. You can't see them right now. They look like a bunch of like gibberish, like a Life in Paradise player username from like, I don't know, 2019 or like 2020. What's a chainsaw? Oh my gosh, I just cut that wall. Okay, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna reset this so we can cause more damage. Was resetting. Okay, we're back. Ooh, look at this piece of art. Someone probably really liked it. I'll let them enjoy it still. I don't know, I might burn it to the ground later. So I have a bunch of tools as well. Here's an example of one. It's called like lighting gun or something like that. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Seriously?
Okay, whatever. They can fix it. As long as they don't know, they won't care. What's a flamethrower?
Do you mean what's a flamethrower?
No, that's not what a flamethrower is. Let me try it. Why do you keep saying for me not to try it?
Oh my god.
Okay, whatever. I have a lot of different tools, like other tools.
Yeah, like
these are my pea bombs. So I like stuck the pea into a bottle. But like there was too much, so they started exploding, so I made pea bombs. A shotgun, a gun, a sniper rifle, a Zentia, I got a shotgun, of a drone, a chainsaw, got like knives I can throw. Let me try cutting down this door. Why don't you want me to? Okay, whatever, I'm doing it. You know, might as well cut the pea stuff. Where the pea bombs were. Smells good. What's here?
How does it smell good?
I might just ignore it. I don't know yet. No, I'm gonna burn it. Or I'll burn this trash can. Or recycle. I don't know. It had no logo.
Please don't do anything crazy.
What's pine?
Why are you flying?
Full. What does that mean? Okay, let me see what this does. Explode.
Don't.
What does that mean?
Oh,
That is
please.
not what it means. Let me try it.
No, don't try
Why though? That's it, I'm trying it.
it. You just...
Why was there like a big red thing or something? Why was there like... Oh! Take cover!